How to get up to $100 Bash Pro Shops promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Bash Pro Shops promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites you can easily get working promo code for Bash Pro Shops. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can see that $20 off, 10% off, 30% off, and many more. Get towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. So I have selected this one. Now I can copy it, then click on Redeem at Bash Pro Shops. You will be directed to the official website of Bash Pro Shops. Now I can log into your account, make your purchase, select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Also, make sure to check out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers. Just scroll and check. Likewise, make sure you go through other websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Bash Pro Shops. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Bash Pro Shops working promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.